This workshop has been very informative and helpful and resourceful, and the idea of teaching us how to actually do it and then be able to put it out to use is an excellent way of teaching a workshop.
I was affected by the bushfires. We were evacuated from Glenafar, and we all had to come into a safe space in town.
These types of workshops help with resilience in communities because it gives people more skills to make things at home.
It's been really great to gather with so many women and to learn how to bake sourdough.
You learn so much, you take away so much, and it's I just think it's great for connecting with other people.
We can be sustainable and relying on yourself to make something like sourdough bread. How wonderful is that?
And I get to ask questions in a safe environment. Really made a sense of community, both in Bellingen and Maxwell.
It was helpful putting some pieces together, and I feel a bit more confident identifying things, and yeah, it was great.
It's been really good for me to see how many edible plants are already growing in my environment.
I've learned so much from the different workshops.
I've been to a couple of workshops, and every time you connect with great people, it gives you the incentive to do what you've wanted to do for so long.
It's helped people know that they can just make a simple loaf of bread at home, and sourdough is not that hard to make.
We've got cuttings from Okinawa spinach and things to propagate, which is amazing. We had a salad with them and they were delicious, and I'm just looking forward to growing them in my garden with the kids. I will be going home with a sourdough starter to start making my own bread. And if I get flooded out of town, I can make my own bread.
I do see myself using these skills at home, but also even teaching people.